The third misconception is that Muslims are terrorists. What is the meaning of the word terrorist? Terrorist by definition means a person who causes terror. Whenever a robber sees a policeman, he is terrified. So for the robber, the policeman is a terrorist. Whenever any criminal sees a policeman, he is terrified. So for the criminal, the policeman is a terrorist. Whenever any robber sees a Muslim, he should be terrified. Whenever any rapist sees a Muslim, he should be terrified. Whenever any antisocial element sees a Muslim, he should be terrified. Like the police, every Muslim should be a terrorist to the antisocial elements. I'm aware that this word terrorist, it is more commonly used to terrorize an innocent human being. In this context, no Muslim should ever terrorize any innocent human being.